first tire, my driver's side tire, the front one, has 20 psi. The second one, passenger side, has 21 psi, right? Then the third one has 20 psi as well. And the fourth one has 30 psi, which is pretty bad considering the fact that my wheels say that I need around 51 psi, or that's the maximum psi. First of all, the 215 is the width of the whole tire right here, the top one. The 60 is the width right here on the side one thing, right? This is a radio thing. I'm not really sure what that stands for, but mine says R for radio. I have 16-inch rims. Oh, I wrote it down right here too. 95 stands for the load per wheel. So 95 is 1,521 pounds. Now you multiply that by 4 because that's all around the wheels, as it says right here on my tire. Right there. And then H stands for that I can drive this around, or right here at my scale. So all the letters right here. So mine's at 130, so mine could go at 130 in the highway or wherever, and it can like go constant. But if it goes higher than that, it might blow up, supposedly. And then mine has M plus S, which stands for mud and snow. Now I'm gonna check the tire thread and I'll get back to y'all. So I'm about to check all the tire threads right here. Already inspecting, I can see some dents right here in that little section. See that? Other than that, looks pretty good. So I did notice I have one different tire. 215 60R 1695V. Inner, mid, out. Inner tire was really good. It's 732. Middle thread basically, pretty good as well. Then the outer one was a little bit low, 5.5-ish. It was close to 6, but it was like in between the 5 and 6, so 5.5. Then the tire with 21 psi, the different tire, because it's not the same one as the rest, but technically it is. I don't know what the hell, but it has 4 threads. This one has, on the inner part, has 532. On the mid inner part has 632. The inner part close to the outside is 632, and the outside is 532. So the outside, the inner and outer sides are basically, it's wearing out, not good. It's like shoulder wear, I think, because these two are wearing out more than these two. And all right, 20 psi left driver wheel at the back. There's 732 on the inner side. On this one, it kind of confused me for a bit, but it's 832. 832. So this middle part has more thread than the outer part. So 732. So I'm thinking shoulder wear, because I'm pretty sure these are supposed to all wear out evenly. But now the 30 psi one, the one on the on the passenger side, all in the back. Oh shit, I'm out of gas. So for that one, has 632s on the inner, 732 on the mid part, and 532 on the outer part. So I'm pretty sure the alignment is pretty bad on that one, because that one's wearing out pretty bad. Overall, I might go get my tires aligned or rotated, but other than that, it's pretty good. I explained everything clearly on the other side. On the 21 psi one, which is that one over there, it's a V instead of an H, so it can last like, it's just a little bit more than the H, but it's really not that. It's the same thing basically. It's just it's not meant for mud and snow like the rest. Yeah, that's it. This is straight and the wheels are straight. So if you can help me with this, or like give me some tips, but most likely it's just I just need to fucking align my wheels. Better not be like a ball joint.